Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Artsy Wisdom. Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful dot mandalas using dotting tools. Dot mandalas aren't only relaxing to create but also result in mesmerizing artwork. Let's jump into it and talk about what you'll need and how to get started. So I have dotting tools. These come in different sizes and are essential for creating perfect dots. Then I have acrylic paint. You can go bright or subtle depending on your style. Then I have a drawing book. You can use canvases, rocks or even wooden pieces. Then I have a cloth to clean the tools between dotting. Then I have pencil, scale. Now let's move on how to actually create your dot mandala. So here is my paint. Dip the dotting tool into the paint. And remember, like this plump should come in the dotting tool to create a very perfect circle. As you can see over here that I have got a perfect circle, as I said that you should have a plump to get it. Then I'm trying with new size. So here's the nail art tool. So I'm dipping it into the paint. And remember, in this, it should be totally covered to get a perfect dot. Like this. And if you want the other size, you can also do with it. Like this. It will be smaller than it. So now I'm using the clay modeling tool. So in this also, remember, it should be totally covered with the color and a conical plumb should come. So as you can see over here, it's like a oval shape, but when you practice more and more, you will get to know about it. So I'm doing once again, and now I've got a perfect circle. So you can play with the sizes using different sizes of dotting tools to create a variety of dot sizes. This will add depth and texture to your dot mandala. And be patient, continue working outward, adding new rows of dots around the previous ones. Don't rush. Dot mandalas are meditative and meant to be overjoyed. If you want to learn perfect dotting by the tools, I have pinned a PDF in the description for the dotting. Make sure you visit if you want to practice it in detail. Then we'll move to a few tips to keep in mind while dotting. Keep your dotting tool clean. Use water and a cloth to wipe off excess paint between colors or sizes. As you can see over here, I have used water and a cloth so that the paint doesn't remain on it. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create your mandala. It's all about your creativity. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and feel inspired to create your own dot mandala. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art tutorials. See you next time and happy dotting. Thank you.